it got to the point past couple of years that I would get migraines once a week, and for me, my breaking point was when I couldn't move. There was days where the pain would go from my neck all the way down to my lower back, shoot down my legs, and for me, I'm a young student, I'm in college, and I shouldn't be struggling with these issues at such a young age.
So I started having migraines from that, where I would lose eyesight, and that was pretty painful. I'd throw up, I'd get really nauseous.
I get really, really bad migraines as well. Some that'll last for a week, non-stop.
Wow.
Where I'm in pain so much, I'm in like the fetal position, lying on my bed in the dark for 7 days.
What I had noticed in comparison to the other methods that we've looked into is NUCCA is a lot more scientifically approached, and so we went through my films and we found exactly what the adjustment needed to be for my neck, so then it can be put back into the exact place that it needed to be. And as soon as I got my first adjustment, it was a whole new world. I didn't realize how bad my health had been until I got my first adjustment, and I immediately felt a release of tension throughout my whole body.
About a week ago, I started thinking, I'm like, you do this and a lot of things change, a lot of things that you don't realize, so it affects every area of your body. So I'm sitting there thinking, and I realized my wife hasn't been to the hospital since she started doing this for bronchitis or asthma or anything like that. Before it was like once a year she'd be in the hospital.
Yeah.
So no steroids, no nothing. And she's
Wow.
hasn't been to the hospital now for 2 or 3 years.
Wow.
I realized for me, I haven't had any migraines. They were instantly gone. I didn't
Wow.
realize that. No nocturnal migraines, no eyesight loss.
Yeah, I was shocked. I was truthfully a little apprehensive coming in here because I had tried everything, and I heard about this and I was like, I'm gonna try it because I've tried everything else and nothing's worked, and I gotta get myself out of pain. And I was like, I don't know how well this is gonna do, but let's do it. And I was like really, really shocked. I've been telling everybody, like, you've got to go see this doctor.
Months later, I'm almost, I would say, healthy. It's like almost 100% pain-free. I rarely get headaches. I maybe get a headache once a month now,
Wow.
to be quite honest. And I used to get tension headaches nearly every single day.
Wow.
So for me, it's been life-changing, and I have a lot more energy, and I'm able to do a lot more things in my life.
You got to get your atlas adjusted. It's about the information from your brain being properly transmitted to the rest of your body. So it's more than just the back issue got me in here because he's a chiropractor at the end of the day, but really it's so much more than that. So please do yourself a favor and get checked.
Awesome.